Memoache mo akwabambra Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi eso world of entertainment die twagwo die fata osum no ewiema yenguno ne edi konkonsa odofo jesoma me hallelujah me amedi dwumadi ho chia me di inde Sandra oheme ametiwa adwuma me Adom entertainment ame Ghana for chemu a
woni sa Sandy no where the jayo oye guy sister Sandy be a guy
I'm the guy's queen Ghana's entertainment prophet nkwalama me yasabe bi emfansem ni bi ensomwo enmada na nkofo sende sister Sandy ni wahu nam se me ka ho je se me di na ade no so enie mo me hwe new management me ka ho we me ni ayiwa wo 5 ye penny ama so but officially no ye ka ho ye shada o se omunyi edi film na ti new management lister Shatta movement, new management structure. Senebaya who related to the brand Shatta Wale. Obehu nipa obekwane so depending on their own share. As usual, Sammy Flex, a media and public relation manager. Road manager, a Mawena, the only woman standing. Dan, a personal assistant to the artist. What are you doing? Me have one. Shall be him. Who say Mohammed Agro, a pam movement, a serious way. Ya nimu crash, say we don't joke. One guy's name. And Ebo Bokwa, and say Abdallah Sika, Associate General Manager, bookings and requests. Uhiani for sure. A yago and some a Abdallah Sika, me frewa, ya to near me ye, tetaso. What you say? Because minimum one a year, yes, I may be for no wash there in your wedding, and in ya will be charging me the wedding. Young and sir, Munia ba me ba one tomorrow, mammy. Quench a more quiet hunter honum. Regional coordinator, a Solange, do you watch a page? Mr. Kester, and I think so, Mr. Stanley Dati, or my music production team. To pick up yourselves, Mumma, the SM movement, new management. Congratulations. Are you at 05 your social media executive? Mumbu Marquesi Mafu or boy Juma Papa. I'm sure the next week for now the end was still in Shatta's camp. Shatta Wale once said, okay, baby, Frank, then I wali can you know.
Yes, you know, if you stop me, I am the news and I'll make you keep talking.
Hey, wali can. Waka wani nyumu. Na watro wa asem ni mu say I am the news and I'll make you keep talking. So do wani ato hodin a yesi na watch bia mu a wala amma news na enya twice because he is indeed the news. Enra me da sorry na in fact I'm afina na me beda. Na adwuma hu say niema bi na mententen fidi kese so. Nam so am say I didn't me told me about the many crochet. And I'm a Tommy Bush video ni C3. Papa cry no ba. We DY biza. Na me nim as a counselor. DY don't call. Thank you. DY don't call. May I sure say Badwam cry never at TV so first. I stand to be corrected. But say Muna, say I graduated so a reverend. In Shranka Radi, as for Radimun Shranka, and da Croncron, no, I just so may Radi. Wapon, who is so a reverend. Name one of them saying, I may be at them. Wow! Shabres is here, baby.
Nobody can kill me. My time is not up. You know the way our brother speaks with boldness. All right. Then suddenly another chapter was open. In the second chapter, I saw 3 men. And these 3 men also had guns in their hands. They had pistol in their hands. And this time, I saw them shoot my brother, Shatta Wale. I'm talking about the musician Shatta Wale. They shot him. Now, in the moment when they were trying to shoot him,
Wabem, what's a pow, pow, pow? Abusuani braba. Ura DY. We a man for some more modest to my maybe na making catch. I will comment or quay honum. Just say be a who na me asoma for na me catch you. Obi tro say wontimi anko ni die mu. Kobo na mane. No obi so tro say God reveals to redeem. Already why? Obi Troy. Say na mo ya na wa sori ma bebrebe yi. Ene mo family members bebrebe yi. Aya mo humu bia da ya public figures. Enka me kra na anya me na make say. Ahomete. Da fear and panic. Yeah, damn pare ya feel. Da fear and panic. Da obi bewu. Obi start sani me gina he. Obi sheda ba me die mu. Ana ma me hu se ka bo be me hwe na ono ana nka de ka ne bebo me na nkwa sheda akọ ka se ye ka se ka bebo na bem. Wa. O ka ze nyankopon no ka ze bi mu ye na apprentice. Ye gine nya me ma. Ana pa ka me ho ne mo pa ye ma Shatta Wale. Erade wo Jesus dim ye de Shatta Wale nu ade shimoja kronkronim. Otsef woni hihye bi etwa mo Jesus dim. Frank Boso Bonsem can say amen. But on a real no, I nsem bi say so ba. I na bubu. Shatta Wale I na also wafani serious kakra. Because sometimes some of these things, you know, sabita frach and prejudice. I said, but them nimpo ebeka se waso ho dae. And I wanya ho kom hye bia. Ya na wo de after the obeye bia no. Now so to ho na mo abo ho mpae. Just say be a medium no fire no. And when young kwaji because it's always public figures. Young Shatta Wale's response what the man say the one aboni din ono so say my body na mafro DYA Jemeso was a man of God indeed. This is what Dampare they are making. Ya fit Dampare. This is what Dampare supported and it's escalated. Ghana police, if you don't arrest this man within 1 week, nobody should be blamed for me, for what I am capable of doing. And it won't be violence, but a lesson to the country. And all this also, God is here. And see why, I'm so sad, true, baby. Yanshe, orante. Inti Ghana police, you ma ba. Shatta tra. What am we inviting to station ho? Na ometre bia nyame yi tre no he na wo dware nyame tre no he bia na ne sa da aduanim ana wo die ne father yem bae ni nyina ho hia se bia boy no so beda no so etu abam wo so hu si ayi tuo na ye bo ni tuo pa su tobre mu sei ya ye nto aso ye bom pae bia ni ho ebesi se Yesu ti ase ye nto aso ai wan guys been so ya de bia afemi am gina nche kra meme ya ne nipa ne mo nsoma nye ne efrem nsoma enye ya ne efrem bo show almost event bia ne efrem obi sase hwan asem na make ye dope nation ya ne mo a na ekoba sakone nsa ba adwuma mu ya de woni kwa me Eugene kra gina ha ye be yi dope nation because mo de bia mo ya available for us. It's a Frank Bonsema dope nation. We are teaching Sagari Gen na bi ti between Saframa amoba na ebomti. Mo de mani esi akola iso ache. Mo de mani esi akola iso ache. Mo nyina na mo links e na mo afri ho. Adechie bi mente se kwa mi Eugene kra akwetena ba bia bomudinda. Ba adechie bia mu nsem de bia mo boy ni din. De bia mo boy ni din. Eye showbiz ebia mo boy Eugene dia munya clicks no ebia mo boy Eugene dia munya trends no bia so mabodi am be your story but the question is ye pese ye hu adekro poten kwa mi Eugene aye dope nation anti dan de na atapan ni atakakra mo boy Eugene dia mo kopie baby mo album ka mo nka ho asem as usual Eugene had to be in the conversation because mo si wo mu ade yen hwemra.
Every industry has this one person where it be like he blow it, he no respect nobody. Like darling boy, fed with the like everything he be fed with. So he end up no respect anybody. And for this thing, me I know say I talk the truth, so plenty people go agree with me. You know, he's sort of like the industry asshole. And you cannot do anything about it. So we have to accept him the way he did. Okay. That's the what we were told.
Okay.
To expect. We know I'm from that angle because we are not inside. When we got inside, that was what we were told. So now we are inside. As soon as you meet them, no, you get that asshole approach. So the best thing to do is not to even have an instant of talking to himself. For music inside or for studio inside, you they go do your thing self, you there in your space. You know they talk to him, he not be your friend. 1 year can pass. You self, when you do music, you direct say they theft you. If you play beat, they theft the style. If you do nami, bam 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 bam, then he will go meet Lil and then go do bam bam bam. And you go see say no, the guy they theft you, but we there in label. We there for do brothers and sisters. See, if Kiddy get balls, make it talk. We get over balls, so we go talk, you know. But you know, then the quote him. So you see say he be some sport Kiddy where he work. He grow now, but he still sport. So you know they remind him and since all of a sudden you leave label. You leave label. You have plans, bro. Money is being invested. Shoot video. You they come drop song where you know say this thing go bang. Then all of a sudden, the label comes to announce that you have left. We did 10 of.
Dameka. School English lessons. Verbs, nouns, pronouns, adverbs. I was here funny serious. Sakasa we, us, they. I try to avoid it in your submissions. They be used to I kasama unkwa aya o kasana we obi ani ehwan because obi ani mo na mo ni wo label and am can see avoid using we. I'm out. Come consider edo abusu aye ka kwa music na so show hu ye nimu. Yeah, you know won't na label be ada. You know crants na sin di. These are guys are no money label. Omo di so omo ka se wo mu ade a. E bia to omo e na wo mu ade. Me gina he kwa me John disrespect me then me ka se wo mu ade. But e bia na wa disrespect omo. E foto de ekoni fa nifa. Ye tu be nkum fu ye tu nifa fu ntifa. Na wo so wo mu ade a. Ye so your darling boy, is it true? Omo see you are sport, is it true? Also, I am just me de me yanto aso na. Guy ba ko a de bia me feel say we very underrated. E wo Ghana entertainment industry we mu pa. I've been saying it for so many years. Even when I was on radio, fear kwanso with Jerry Justice. Fella session, ma kan. And I will never understand why Kobby Rana enya attention na he's supposed to get. He is an actor. He is a performer. In fact, Ghana ha, who ye top 3 performers on stage ah. Won't mean ye bray in front of Mr. Drew. You can never take him out. His stagecraft, what? Just name it. In fact, Frank, boom, some of the most talented. Niana abema. Or chestini, or producer, or trout sini, or your script writer, or your dancer, or your singer. Hey! You know, the papa cry, or crow, Mama me bre. Minidi cry no pe, minidi. Mama me bre papa because such a talent. Baby, no one enya Ghana handcap guy, common uniform. Me pese me hu die nti Kobby Rana. Enya attention. No kwatche na adwen so a. Prince, you have the gas. So we call no Kobby Rana ni page. Ono ne phone, ono ni data, ono na adwene, ono ne nso de type here. Ti ha. Oh, already yankopon. What's a crime Eugene challenge ya oh yeah. Pretty little baby over the flowers. That comment section was nasty. It wasn't good. Ti Kobby Rana ebegine mu man ni abema defend minister. If you are someone who listens and understands real global music, the current Kwame Eugene trolls will really piss you off. Hey, my heart, Mr. Makuma digum. See perfect riffs and falsetto. And the aggressive reaction, I apologize this morning. I bet sad, their favorite combined can never. Eugene is a treasure they don't deserve. Ghana and not time hunu. One say, Kobby asema walking. Ahano Ghana and not time hunu no. once I will be yo, so you have to understand. And it's very sad to say a cry a woman nanka challenge aba a crobie in a dish year represent na kwam Eugene akoda the whole Ghana no a comment section and tesa. It's a fine. So for somebody who understand arts, I don't know yes singer Kobby Rana, a bitch name Kebino, shall you be Troy, or for share with a to worship. Will be true, or can you? Try your possible best to get Ghanaian TV stations showing your movies in order to put an end to Nigerian movies dominating our TV screens and stop posting about music. I have a movie story that I would like to share with you. Prince, why do you know what form kakra no pay na make us say? So what me catch Kobby Rana so what script had be man. Guy way Kobby Rana movie industry ni collapse ye. One of the few people are every Val's Day, February, or releasing movie. So you think so any script enough? Won't have a manuscript. Respect the game. It's about time I move boo industry people because right they put in a lot of effort and they don't even get it back. I'm so pissed off too. Yeah, but I'm in the day. And I Kobby Rana. Ebe ya no. I had ya to Obama me Kobby. Yeah, Adom TV. Ye ni Nigerian film biya wa Adom. Na guys ya was way na there. Ye ya kwa anima India. And no kwa ye back be email edu. Yet me back be the graft ni eji. Boma Adom. And you say na Kobby reply. Or see if Ghana TV stations want my ways, they should pay for it. You share the graphs can you Jane Ejumano. Nigeria is not my problem, Mr. Messiah. Focus on what you have in your country. Good in the community. Lastly, you can't tell me what to post. My page is not your father's scrotum. Oh, and your story, put baby oil around it and shove it in your. Hey. Wow. That also granny chill. Anyway, mumbo man, response to you. Say when you boss your talk, bass your talk. It's what to boss, then the panat to bass. A boss bass season. In fact, Frank, boom, we are in the era of motivation. Wow, Kobby, we are with you. We are with you. We are here for the talent. And it's about time and conform disrespect to the arts, no. You better say home because you know you wouldn't buy a brew industry more. Come on, me downgrade you, be a juma. What say? Go on, let me continue the story. Come on, go now. Twice, I'm so. I same way. Oh, we are much that they are big. Oh, Pemano, asem neti. Oh, but say, men comment session, them no matter what of our hermity man pay. I am Miss Bibi no cancheremo. Me ametiwa. Menu monton da we asia menam. Minim se sabita frache e bia ma wo fo top man na menu beto pa no kwa hwe ye na se medidi. Because media many aduane. Ah. Bernard Bisu, are you listening? Aduane ametiwa. Minim de baba menu ma 20 say na e mo say o ko comment session. Akotwa bo sister na manu ma to I'm sorry medidi. Bom aduane na make it's when you can send it notice ahead. A story aba. Me young host or yes and fire massa. What is Stoneboy study media tour is to cry for public sympathy cause of Shatta Wale. And yes, sister Sandy Neka say, guy be minim no. Ko shebra uba me pon ini shake. What it? Shebra is
If I just want to look and don't Paul by this guy. He's a corny guy, like they brown you on the show. GI, no say the people they know you as an MPP artist. It's small brown, you see the tall. Cause I don't understand the tall, no. I'm like, what's up? What they happen? Why they do the tall? Small you start to do tall, media tall. Hey, Charlie.
Oh. Mommy, mom to Presbyterian hymn number 6. They are all not stanza 1, mommy. Ebusia. Say no. Penny Fwats na say in Shishemu. So Ubia bit me a mind in the business. hono ano pay me gina yi me boshi me charity mommy we nhyira FM root ano pay story me toma we nhyira ho so ma me kumase mon discuss oni ogidi brown for on that note me pon obi to ye gebe de what ase obi to a oye on kan ni team ho onye member of Beam Nation onye ni media PR onye event organizer o se won ti ase ebe dey na what ase odofo kosane utina urum wate mempon webe kofia mpedu na ispa say Mark Weber me director Richmond and so me director and then me Mackenzie come in the Kaboom a director 2 times a guy Eugenia Baden will make up department Frank was sound MCR set camera Master Thomas me da mungina mwase oh Mommy mbom kasi huwa ina na doye woda. Yebe share fiada. Makra. Bye.
Where the